thousands of bombs have destroyed internet cables and cut off Ukrainians from access to information and each other. However, internet connection became faster and more reliable. Ukraine has received more than 10,000 Starlink stations, thanks to partners. Due to war in Ukraine, SpaceX has updated its software to use less energy. Starlink is now powered by a car's cigarette lighter. Starlink is supporting our key infrastructures, health facilities, financial institutions, energy plants. It has restored mobile connections in deoccupied Ukrainian towns and villages. Internet connection and mobile service are already available in Bordanka, Irpin, and Bucha. With just one Starlink station, the service was instantly re-established in 5 villages. Every day in Ukraine, about 150,000 people are actively using Starlink. Additionally, Ukrainian engineers are working hard during martial law every day. They risk their lives to restore connections, repair cables, and tower functions. Even in wartime, Ukraine stays